Okay, so I just wanted to do a full room tour for you guys of our stateroom. So on our first Disney cruise, we had a veranda, so like the balcony. And this time we have the Inside Stateroom Deluxe. So it's windowless, like there's no windows, and it's much smaller, I think, supposedly. And the difference between the Deluxe and the Standard is just that you have a separate compartment for the shower and the toilet if you have the Deluxe. And if you get like the Standard, I think it's just one single bathroom that has both. But yeah, so let's check out the room. All right, there's our stateroom card. Let's open that up.
There is one way.
Oh my god, so exciting. Okay, turn on the light. Okay, so let's do a quick walkthrough. So there is a sofa right here, a little coffee table, and that's the bed right there. Mirror. Looks like we have some drawers over here. Let's check that out. Yep, so like plenty of storage. Yeah, so we have plenty of storage here. Okay, so there's this curtain right here, so you can like separate, you know, the sofa area and the bed, you know, so in case someone wants to watch TV or something and someone's sleeping, you can separate that, so that's pretty nice. Here's a TV. All right, and we have more compartments here, I think, or is this the fridge? Oh, it looks like this is a mini fridge. How do you open this? Okay, there's that. This is the blow dryer. Okay. Small, more compartments. And oh, here goes our postcards. So yeah, so always check your drawers because they always put like a little postcard in here, which is really cool. Yeah, on our first cruise we didn't have that, so we had to ask guest services. But oh, they have two in here. Perfect. All right. The pen. This is envelope and paper to write some notes. That's cool. Okay, so there's that. Oh, what's in here? It's empty. Another mirror here. Okay. What else? Okay. Alright, so because this is our second cruise, we're part of the Castaway Club now, and that means that, you know, there's different tiers. Once you know, silver is the first one, I think is gold, and then pearl or something after that, I'm not sure. But yeah, so we're silver. So we get these cool lanyards. It's special because it's for the 25th anniversary. So each guest gets one. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my gosh, look at that. So cute. So you can put your, you know, key card in here. Oh, I love it. Okay. And then they gave us like this little beach bag as well. So unfortunately it's just one per stateroom. So, you know, you just have to, we're gonna have to like rock, paper, scissors to see who gets to keep this one. But yeah, that's really cute. Yeah. So here are some cups. I believe these are just more drawers for storage. Yeah. Lots of, you know, storage space. Okay, and here is the closet space. So there's like some life vests in there, for hangers, and there's a laundry bag that you can use. There's the lock box, so you can like secure your stuff. I'd say it's like a pretty decent sized closet. See over here. Yeah, so you have more hangers in here. Yeah, I think that's pretty decent size. Okay, and then we're on to, I believe this is like the shower. So let's see. Yeah, so here is the room with the shower. So it's like tub style. There's a shower head. And And ew, it looks like they use H2O, so that was the same with the Dream Cruise as well. And I really like their shampoo. It's like makes my hair so soft. Yeah. All right, so there's that. And then here's the sink. So they give you like this little facial soap bar thing, makeup towel, body lotion. Right, so you have like, you know, all the necessities. There's tissue, there's garbage. Here are the towels. And they have this thing about, you know, conserving water and all that. Okay, so through these doors should be like, you know, the toilet and sink and whatnot. Okay, so there's your standard toilet. You can put some stuff on these shelves if you want. Like hand towel. And here and here. You got a sink. And some soap. Alright. And tissue. And I have no idea what this is, to be honest. We didn't have this, but I think it's like free to charge. Not totally sure, but okay, there it goes. Okay, so here's a phone here if you need to call like guest services or anything. Have any questions or order room service. Okay, so you can order room service on this little handy card thing. So I guess you would just stick it in the door for the next morning. It's pretty neat. Okay, here's our menu. Yeah, so you know the TV, you can find all this information on here. I guess whatever's on the app, it's already on here. I don't know how to do this. Okay, so yeah, so it looks like you can do your daily navigator, pull it up here. Oh, that's pretty cool. So that's like all the activities and stuff. Yeah. And then what else? You can also find out more about the ports of call, and then more about the cruise ship, and then Disney On Demand. You can watch all the shows and whatnot. Yeah, so we got movies, TV shows, and ship videos. Oh, so this is what kind of movies they got. Oh, so there's tons. Yeah, so you know, there's tons to choose from. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the walkthrough so you have an idea of what to expect. So this is the Disney Magic, you know, so it is the oldest Disney cruise ship. Yeah, so, but I think, you know, it has everything that you need and it looks comfortable. It's not super small. It's like, I thought it was gonna be a lot tinier than it is. Definitely was nice to have a veranda the last time. Of course, the balcony is always better, but I think the inside stateroom is not too bad. Yeah, still pretty spacious. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more Disney cruise content.